A covalent bond is formed by sharing one or more electron pairs between atoms, provided each atom contributes equally. The favorable condition for the formation of a covalent bond is when the difference in electronegativities of the two atoms is either very less or zero, or if the atom can share electrons so that it can attain its noble gas configuration. There are two types of covalent bond. Non-polar covalent bond is where the shared electrons are equally attracted by both the atoms as their electronegativity is same. This is evident in hydrogen and chlorine. Whereas in polar covalent bond, the shared pair of electron move towards the atom having greater electronegativity, as in the case of ammonia and methyl chloride.